Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about Bode's theory in the topic. One more topic is there, that is expression for radius. Expression for radius. So how to calculate the radius of orbit? Derivation is there. So here on electron, two forces are acting. So you know that one. Two forces are acting. One force is called as centripetal force. Centripetal force, and one more force, centrifugal force. Centrifugal force. So centripetal force is towards nucleus. Towards nucleus. Centrifugal away from the nucleus. Away from the nucleus. Away from the nucleus. Therefore, centrifugal force is balanced by centripetal force of the electron. So therefore, what is centrifugal force? What is centripetal force? Centripetal force is equal to minus Ze square by R square. And centrifugal force equal to minus mv square by R. Mass, velocity here, charge and atomic number. Charge, electron here, electron charge. So therefore here centripetal force equal to centripetal force equal to centrifugal force. According to Bode's theory, centripetal force equal to centrifugal force. What is centripetal force? Minus Ze square by R square. Minus Ze square by R square. Centrifugal force is minus mv square by R. So this R square and R will get cancelled. This minus and minus will cancel. After that, Ze square by R equal to mv square. So according to Bode's, this is equation number 1. According to Bode's theory, according to Bode's theory, angular momentum mvr, angular momentum of an electron equal to nh by 2 pi. So nh by 2 pi. So after that nh by 2 pi, only v, we want v. So v equal to nh 2 pi by mr v. On both sides squaring, we get v square equal to n square h square by 4 phi square m square r square. This is equation number 2. So this is equation number 2. You have to substitute this in this equation. So this in this equation. So after substituting, this is Ze square by R equal to v square. That v here. This is equation number 2. V square equal to v value here. V equal to this value. We have substituted here. Ze square by R equal to m into what is v square? N square h square by 4 phi square m square r square. So this m and this square will be cancelled. This r and this r is cancelled. So after that r equal to radius equal to n square h square by 4 phi square ZE square. ZE square into M. This is formula. N square, H square, 4 square, ZE square into M. On substituting standard values of H, 4, pi, and if Z is atomic number, E is charge of electron, M is the mass of electron, N square, H square by 4 pi square, ZE square into M. And substituting, we get the equation. On substituting H value, pi value, E value and M value. H equal to Planck's constant, pi equal to constant, E is the charge of electron, M is the mass of electron. After substituting all values, we get R equal to 0.529 into N square by Z in angstroms. This is the expression for the radius. N equal to number of orbits. Here, number of orbit 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, and Z equal to atomic number. So this is the expression for the radius of orbit. So here two forces are act on the electron. One force is called centripetal force. That force is towards the nucleus, and centrifugal force away from the nucleus. So here these both are balanced. That's why electron is revolving in this orbit. Therefore, according to Bohr's theory, centripetal force of the electron is balanced by centrifugal force. So, centripetal force, what is centripetal force? Minus ZE square by R square. Minus ZE square by R square is called centripetal force. That is equal to this, numerically it is equal to ZE square by R square. R is the radius, E, this is atomic number. So, centrifugal force equal to minus mv square by R here. So, according to Bohr's theory, centripetal force equal to centrifugal force. Therefore, what is centripetal force? Minus ZE square by R square is called centripetal force. So, this minus will get cancelled. This R and this square is also get cancelled. After that, ZE square by R equal to mv square. This is one of the equation. But according to Bohr's theory, MVR, angular momentum of an electron, is equal to nh by 2 pi. Angular momentum of electron is equal to nh by 2 pi. So we want a V. We will separate V from this equation. nh 2 pi mr. nh by 2 pi mr. So on both sides squaring, we get V square, N square, H square. 2 square means 4, 5 square, M square, R square. This is equation number 2. In this V square we get. So this V square value is substituted in this equation. So we get ZE square by R equal to M. Already M is there here. V square value, N square, H square, 4, 5 square, M square, R square. On substituting all these values, so finally we get R equal to N square, H square, 4, 5 square, ZE square, M. So here I am substituting H value, pi value, E value and M value. These are the standard values. Charge of electron, mass of electron, H equal to Planck's constant. You know the value of Planck's constant, 6.625 into 10 power minus 36 joule second, or 6.625 into 10 power minus 27 every second. By substituting all these values, we get R value 0.529 into N square by Z angstroms. So, 1 angstrom equal to 10 power minus 8 centimeters. Therefore, 0.529 into N square by Z into 10 power minus 8 centimeters also we can write. So, this is is the expression for the radius of orbit. This is the expression for the radius of orbit. You can write this in the picometers, nanometers, and also in centimeters. So, for example, the 1 angstrom equal to 10 power minus 8 centimeters. That's why you write 0.529 into x squared by z into 10 power minus 8 centimeters. So, an angstrom value is very much. That's why instead of angstroms, we are taking the units in centimeters. We can write that is into 10 power minus 8 centimeters. Right. So, this is about expression for the radius of orbit. Expression for the radius of orbit. After that, we will do some problems. So once you revise, so like this, you have to derive the equation for the radius. So Rn, radius of orbit equal to n square, number of orbit, z equal to atomic number. For example, hydrogen at z value is 1. For helium, z value equal to 2. For lithium, z value equal to 3. Like that, we can substitute the values. I will give some numericals regarding this. First problem. Calculate the radius of third orbit in Li plus 2. So third orbit in of Li plus 2. In Li plus 2 or of Li plus 2. So what is the formula to calculate radius of orbit? R equal to 0.529 into n square by z. So which orbit is given? Third orbit. Therefore, n value equal to 3 because here the given orbital is third orbit. Third orbit is given. So here n value equal to 3. So z value lithium. For lithium, z value equal to 3 Li plus 2. Lithium value 3. So atomic number of lithium is 3. Therefore, on substituting these values, R equal to 0.529 into n value how much? 3 square by 3. So 3 square by 3. So this value R equal to 0.529 into 9 by 3. So R equal to 0.529 into 3 times, so 3. So therefore R equal to 1.587 angstroms. So this is simple method to calculate the radius of orbit by using this formula. This formula is given by Bohr's. So Bohr's according to radius equal to 0.529 into n square. For example, if you calculate the radius of second orbit. Second orbit means we are taking 2 square. Or calculate the radius of second orbit of helium. So helium is here z value equal to 2 and n value equal to second orbit means 2 square. Therefore this value 0.529 into 2 square by 2. 4 by 2. So 0.529 into it will 2 like that. So this is calculation of the radius of the orbit. After that, second numerical. So this is the process to calculate the radius of any orbit. Calculation of any orbit. This is the process. After that, I will give one more problem. So here, second problem. Calculate the ratio of radii of first orbits of hydrogen, helium, lithium. So this is the problem. So first orbits. So what is the formula? Radius equal to 0.529 into n square by z angstroms. This is the formula. Therefore, how many elements are given? 3 elements are. 3 atoms are hydrogen, helium, lithium. So first for I will write like hydrogen 0.529 into n square. N square means first orbit. Therefore 1 square. But for hydrogen here z equal to 1. So for hydrogen z equal to 1. After that helium. So He plus radius of He plus same thing 0.529 into 1 square first orbit. N value 1 and helium z value 2. After that lithium. So radius of Li plus 2 equal to 0.529 into 1 square by 3 because lithium atomic number is 3. Therefore that is, if you take the ratio, so ratio means you can cancel what are the same factors. Here this one, all you can cancel. So ratio RH is to RHE is to RLi plus 2 equal to first hydrogen. How much? 1 is to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3. By dividing is 6. 6 means 6 is to 6 by 2. 3 is to 6 by 3. 2. So this is the RH is to RHE is to RLi plus 2. So this is the ratio. So this is about expression for the radius and numericals related to radius.